Hey guys, Brian here. We're going to try Lightning Link. High stakes, trying to get that major that's the highest on the bank. So we'll see. We got 30 bucks in. Nickel denomination, $1.25 a bet.
Don't suck.
Don't suck. I can't make any promises. Here we go. Oh, you rat. Oh.
That would have been funny.
That sucked. Sorry. Alright, so we need 6 of those, of course. And 3 briefcases. And of course, those are wild if they ever line up with anything. Alright, come on. Uh-oh. Wow. I'm not having the luck today. Slot blocked again. Well, a couple more spins. There we go. Oh, nice. 4 of them. 15 bucks, I'll take it. All right, 6 free games. Here we go.
Ball.
We need a big old chip in the middle. No, come on. Oh my God. It was like 8 wilds in a row. I push the button. Chip. Uh-oh. Well, $30. Yeah. So we got a backup spin, and we're going to get up even. One more backup spin. One more backup spin. Alright, that's going to do it. Well, we're getting up even, $30 on Lightning Link high stakes. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, Mason here. Going to play a little Locket Link Eureka Blast, I do believe. Doing 2-cent denomination, 60 bucks and $2 a pull. Here we go. 3 of those Eurekas. Or a bunch of those.
6 of those.
6 of those.
I don't think either one of us has ever gotten a bonus on lock.
Maybe. I don't know. We'd have to go back pretty far though. There we go. That's $8. Oh, it's $16, $17. My math was askew. Oh. Brian, I'm just over here saying words, man. Duh. Eureka got in my way. Let's see a bonus. Come on now. That's rough. Yeah. Nothing. Uh-oh. Where'd all those gold nuggets go? Well, a full reel of dynamite in the middle kind of blocks you from everything. Aces. Time for Eureka Blast. No!
Wow.
Alright, last spin. Alright guys, I'm taking my $20 and I'm getting out of here. That was, luckily, Eureka Blast. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, Brian here, and we're visiting our old buddy Zeus. See if he works out for us today. Got $10 in and 25 free play. We'll do $1.50 a bet, more, better, blah blah blah. All right, $1.50 a pull. Here we go. You need him on the first reel, or 3 of them gold symbol things. Those guys.
They're not gold.
Well, they're gold on Chronos.
I am not my father.
Uh-oh. Yeah, I still got money back.
You're killing it, buddy. Good job. $1.50 every spin.
That's right.
At least.
One more. There you go.
Did I make it in frame?
I don't know. 10 spins. Touch to start. Here we go.
Bonus.
Bonus in the bonus. Please. $2. Bonus in the bonus in the bonus for the bonusception.
There's a bonus inside the bonus. Inside the bonus.
Yes, there is. Let's see it. Oh! There you go. All right. Lightning bolt.
Nope.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Last spin.
Yep.
Ouch. All right, now you got to do that again and make up for it. No, to the left, please. Thank you. Oh my god. Oh no! There we go.
Lightning bolt. Last spin.
There we go. Alright, last spin again. Ah, that's a little better.
Last one.
$30.
Yeah.
Alright, 2 more spins.
All right, let's see it one more time. Come on, right here.
Ah, that's right. $44. Inconceivable.
I can conceive it.
All right.
What's the $1.50 back?
There you go.
How much free play you got left? Finish off the free play. The plan, finish off the free play? It's all good.
Works for me. How about another bonus?
I'd be up to bet.
To 225? We got 11 bucks left. All right, 225. Finish off free play. Oh my god.
But now you're winning 225 every spin. That really helps.
I really don't think that's how it works.
That's how it works. 2 more spins. Or actually,
To the left, please.
gonna kill that last quarter.
All right, 25 cents left. Last spin.
There we go.
All right. Yeah, let's go one more.
All right.
All right, well, we're going to call that a win. Started with 35 or so. $10 cash, made 52 bucks on Zeus. Thanks for watching.